Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to make this awesome banana oats bread. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So this is my bowl that I'm going to crush my bananas in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and peel my bananas. And guys, if you have these overripe bananas at home, no need to worry, don't throw them away. You can always go ahead and make something really nice and delicious from them, alright? So once my bananas, they're all nicely peeled and placed in the bowl, I'm gonna go in with my fork and I'm just gonna crush. You guys can always opt to use a potato masher to crush your bananas, or if you don't have that at home, you can always use your fork. All right, guys, remember to be creative at home. Remember to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. All right, or you can even go to the farmers market and you'll get fresh produce. All right, so this is it. So in today's video, I'm gonna use granulated sugar instead of brown sugar. I'm always using brown sugar, but for some reason I decided, listen, I'm always telling you guys to be creative. I'm gonna use the granulated sugar. So I went in and add 2 eggs, as you can see, and I ensure that I remove the eye from the egg. The eye is that white attachment to the yolk. I use a spoon, to remove the eye. All right, I also went in and add my vegetable oil, and I also added 1 cup of oats, and then I'm going to combine everything together. You always want to ensure that everything is evenly distributed. All right, so once everything is nicely combined, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add all of this to a larger bowl. All right, what I did, I went in and I just combined both my flour, my cinnamon powder, my nutmeg, my baking soda, my baking powder together already. All right, and some salt. All right, so you guys might not see when I'm combining all of that together, but just so you guys know, I already combined that together, all of my dry ingredients. All right, because you always want to ensure that the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon and the salt is evenly distributed. All right, so what I did, I went in just now with some vanilla flavoring and some of my mixed spice in the liquid form, but if you guys have the powdered mixed spice, you can always go ahead and add it to the flour mixture. All right, so to give it a nicer flavor, I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk powder. You could also add the coconut milk powder to the flour mixture, but I decided last minute, you know what, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to add it to this so that it will give it a nice richer flavor that I'm looking for. All right, you can always go ahead and use the authentic coconut milk that is, but if you don't have it at home, use the powdered one. All right, again, you always want to combine everything together because you want everything to be evenly distributed. All right, so now I'm going to go in with my dry ingredients. I'm going to add the flour mixture, and of course I'm going to combine everything together. And as you can see, I didn't add all of the flour at once. I add half first, and then I'm going to add the next half in a few seconds. All right, and no need to worry, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water, but after add the other half of the flour mixture. All right, so no need to worry. So now I added the water, so I'm just gonna continue to just mix everything nicely together. And you want to always ensure that the flour is mixed out properly, because you don't want any raw flour in your bread, alright? And you can always go ahead and sift the flour to get rid of any lumps. So you can go ahead and mix sift the flour, the nutmeg, and all of that dry ingredients together to get rid of any lumps, alright? So we are going to bake this bread for roughly about 45 to 50 minutes at 250 degrees, alright? I went ahead and I already spray my Pyrex dish with my palm cooking spray that I'm going to use. So you guys can always go ahead and just grease your baking pan with either butter, or you can use some coconut oil, alright? So this is the butter that I'm pouring in my Pyrex dish. And I'm going to shake my Pyrex dish up a little just to get rid of any bubbles, alright? Alright, so this is it. So I'm going to place it in the oven, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so stay tuned and listen. You guys need to try this bread. This was awesome, alright? So this is it. So once it's nicely cool, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove it, and as you can see, it is perfect. So this is the perfect bread. So I'm going to go ahead and slice it up and show you guys what it looks like. So basically, this is the final product of my banana oat bread. As you can see, it's nicely cooled and it comes together really nice. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and check the description box for today's recipe. And I hope you guys enjoy this awesome video, and I hope you guys already subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.